YouTube channel. I am Siona Fernandez and today I am up with a very new haul video of kurtas, then some dress, then pants and all of that. This is more like a combination of everything that's there for in women's fashion and apparel. So without any further ado, let's begin today's video. But before I begin, please go and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and also click on that notification bell icon to receive updates from my channel. So the first item that we have here is here with me, and let me open it first. Okay, so this is a very cool loose white color crop top. It's more like a crop t-shirt. The material is really thick and soft as well, and comfortable one. So and also it's a oversized one. So if you can see, a cool, perfect, chic looking crop top, and it is from the brand Tokyo Talkies. The size that I am wearing, if you can see the fit over here, you can see the fit over here. The size that I'm wearing is M. So it's a very cool one, and in the front there is some print that is of some motor or something like that. And the sleeves also, because it is oversized, it will be almost till your elbow, and it is a fully covered neck crop top t-shirt. And again, the link for this and the price of this, the price will be displayed on the screen, but the link to purchase this will be given in the description. So please go and check it out. For each of the products there will be a separate link, so all you have to do is just click on that link. So it will directly lead you towards the product, and then there you will have to buy it from there. So this was the first one for today's video. And the next thing that we have is a beautiful wine colored peplum top. It is from the brand Ketch. Again, the size that I'm wearing is M. So if you can see, it is in the polyester material. The material is too thin, but because it is dark, it will go if you wear any black inner, it couldn't be noticed. So coming to the top, it's a peplum top. As you can see, the sleeves, it is a full sleeve with the elastic around the wrist, a perfect fitted one. And coming to the neckline, it is a round neck, and again here it is a slit or the slant neckline that is given here. Around the waist there is elastic, and below the waist it is flowy. So a very good top, very unique color and bright color, especially for the fair complexion. This top will really go well. And the next thing that we have is more like a short kurti or an Indian top, depends on what you want to name it. So this is how it looks. Short kurta plus top in the mustard color. It is from the brand Ketch. So it is a cotton material. So if you see correctly, it has prints of maroon and all the dark colors on this mustard yellow. The straps of this, it is adjustable straps. The sleeves, okay, it's strappy sleeve, and it is adjustable, and there are hooks here behind the top. And at the back there is elastic over here, slightly elastic, so that it stays fit. In the front, coming to the neckline, it is a straight, slightly V, if you can see, a high but a slightly V neckline. And here it is well fitted, and from the bust, below the bust, it is completely flowy. Pair it with some juttis, and then some heavy jhumka and jeans, a perfect one. And also one thing, if you can notice, there is zip here, so you don't have to worry about the fit. So it gives the zip itself gives a very good fit. And also there is slit on either sides, so that's reason why I said you can also call it as kurta or whatever you want to name it. So that was for this kurta as well as top. The next thing that we have is a beautiful polyester kurta. This is a long kurta in the anarkali kind. It is from the brand Ketch and M. I think it is better if you go size down in this brand, or check according to your size, because it's a bit loose for me, if you can see. but the prints over here, it is all the pastel colors of light pink, and then there is, you know, this light blue purple with some very purple flowers. So the neckline is a round neckline, and the sleeves is again a 3/4 sleeves. And if you can see from the waist, there is elastic, and below the waist it is all flowy, and you have got slits on both the sides. So it's not like, it won't give you that umbrella kind, or you know, umbrella shape look. Because of the slit, it will be cut off. So the price for this, you can check it on the screen. I will be putting it out there, and the behind is also same with the same pattern and the colors. So that was it for the kurtas. Coming to the next item of this video is a very unique cord set. I don't think y'all have ever seen it. So this is like a two-piece cord set. It has got tailored pants, as well as there is a waistcoat. So it's a very unique chocolatey mud or brown color, I can say. If you can see, the material is really soft and comfortable, and inside there is also this lining that is given. So it is really, it feels more like a velvety, you know, feel and that touch. So coming to the waistcoat, if you see, it's just like any normal waistcoat, like how it is in the mega sleeves, and it has got this small pocket over here, and this black buttons that stand out very brightly. And to go along with this, these are the pants, or tailored pants, I must say. White leg, and also straight pant it is. So the waist, it is not elasticated, so be careful when ordering. Please to check out the size of the waist. And there is this typical pant button and zip over here. In the front, there is a kind of different kind of, you know, the stitch here in the front, so it gives a different look. And there are pockets, if you can see clearly. And behind, again, there are pockets, just like any other pant has. So you just pair it with, you know, boots or some white shoes. It is a perfect classy chic, very unique style, with some small black handbag, the perfect look. And the next one that we have is here again, some very bright white pant. Let me open it first. So okay, it's the satin pant, a very unique one, and a very beautiful one pant over here. So if you can see, the one thing that I love about this pant is that the hips or the waist over here, it is not elasticated. Instead, it is pleated with the satin. So that's how it look really cool, very cool. And you know, this pant itself can enhance any look. You wear it with some bold colors, like, you know, some crop top, and pair it with this pant. So front, it is this way, and behind there are two pockets. And how to fit in this into this pant is, there is a zip behind, so you don't have to worry. So just open the zip, wear the pant, and then close the zip. So it gives a very, you know, beautiful fitting right from your waist and below. Like I said, you will know how I have paired it here in this video. You don't have to worry about the length at all. And also the material, it's very soft. I think it's a very good investment for the price that you're paying. Totally worth it for the material and the quality of the pant. The next thing that we have is a dress. So the pant that I showed you guys earlier was from Numi, as well as this top over here is again from Numi itself. The dress is from Numi itself. So coming to this dress, again, the dress is in this very pretty pastel green color. The dress is more like a very Pinteresty aesthetic bridesmaid dress. I fell in love with this dress the moment I saw it. because of the fit of this dress. If you can see, it is a midi dress, and the sleeves again it is slightly puffed with elastic around the wrist, and it's got a very good features in the front as well as behind. The back is absolutely open, and it depends on how you are going to tie it. You will understand in the video shown over here how to actually style it. And there is zip here, so the zip is for the fit, and it absolutely gives a very good fit. And front, this is one of the unique patterns that I've ever seen. So there is a small triangle cut over here, and with a very sleek bun and some white roses. If you are some bridesmaid, then please do consider this dress, because even if you want to like stitch some dress, I think you have a better option that is already readily available. So think of it, guys, and just tell me how do you like this look by seeing this video over here. How much would you all rate it? And that's it for this dress. And the last part or the last item for today's video that we have got is this beautiful kurta set or suit, I must say, with some unbelievable price that is almost around 700 plus. So above 700, below 750, and I know it's an unbelievable price. So it's from the brand Ketch. Coming to the pant, so let's move towards the pant first. So this pant, it's in a very unique green shade, a very different elegant one. So the pant, it is completely elastic and straight leg and wide leg pants. At the bottom, if you see, there is the silver work that is given, that is similar to the one or that is present in the kurta or the top. So this is for the pant. Coming to the shawl, it is in a very thin net shawl with again some silver slight delicate silver thread work. So you can see the lines or the pattern that is present in the shawl. Coming to the highlight of this, that is the kurta or the top set. It is in the polyester, blended polyester material, a very below knee length kurta. If you see, the length of this will be below the knee, and a 3/4 sleeves again around the sleeves. You can see this very delicate silver pattern or design that is given. So this is for the sleeves. And coming to the neckline, it is a very simple V, very elegant neckline, I must say, and full all over the length of the kurta. You can see this very delicate silver work. So this is not like a thread work or anything, it is a silver print, but the print itself is very rich. And along the sides, along the slit, you can see there is a wavy pattern in the silver material. Especially I love the contrast of this green along with the silver. It just stands out. Best for night wear. If you wear it at night, you will definitely the silver work that is given over the air will add a lot of shine, and that's what I like a lot about this kurta set. And for the price that you're paying, it is worth it, like 100% worth it. Saying that, I'll be ending today's whole video, guys. If you did like this video, then please do let me know in the comment section. Also share this video with your family and friends so that it helps everyone. And I hope I am making this easier for you guys to select your outfit or style your outfit. So that's the reason. Subscribe to my channel and press on that bell icon to receive notification. That's it, guys. Bye bye. See you in another haul video.